In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the latest promotions and discounts on Deliveroo. Whether you're a frequent user or just getting started with food delivery, this guide will help you make the most of your experience and possibly save some money along the way. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head over to the Deliveroo website. Simply open up your preferred web browser and type in deliveroo.co.uk. This will take you to their homepage where you'll find a wide variety of delicious options waiting for you. Now, look to the top right corner of the screen. You should see the option to either sign up or log in. Click on this option, which will direct you to the login page. If you already have an account, simply enter your credentials. If you're new, the website will guide you through the easy sign up process, which only takes a couple of minutes. Once you've settled into your account, it's a good idea to check out Deliveroo's official promotions. These can be found in various sections of the website and are frequently updated. Deliveroo often runs fantastic promotions, so make sure to keep an eye out for any special offers that might catch your interest. After that, consider signing up for Deliveroo emails and turning on notifications for promotional updates. By doing this, you'll ensure that you're always in the loop about the latest promotions and discounts. This way, you won't miss out on any exciting deals that could help you get more bang for your buck. Next, if you're really keen on maximizing your savings, I recommend searching for websites that offer Deliveroo discount codes. There are several reputable coupon sites out there that feature seasonal or exclusive offers. A quick online search can yield a variety of options. Just make sure to verify that the site you're using is trustworthy to protect your personal information. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can effortlessly uncover the best deals on Deliveroo, helping you enjoy your favorite meals while being friendly to your wallet. Keep this guide handy whenever you're planning to order, and over time, you'll naturally become a pro at spotting opportunities for savings. Thanks for watching and happy ordering.